Hello everyone. In this video, we will make another program for RoboCat where we are going to use IR sensor, and when we show white color to the IR sensor, the cat, our RoboCat, is going to wag its tail. So let's begin. Start with Arduino program. We want to read the value. It's a digital sensor which we are using. So we are going to use read digital pin. Now we have attached the digital sensor to servo/sensor2, and the pin number there is A1. We know we cannot write A1 inside here, so we will create a variable. We'll name it A1 and we will set the value of this variable to A1. And thus when I put this variable in here, the value inside this variable is A1, so it becomes read digital pin A1. We have done read and we need to do store, and for storing we need a variable. So we'll create another variable. We'll call it senval2, and we will set the value of this senval2 to whatever value we are going to read from our sensor. So read done, store done, and now it's time to compare. For comparing, we'll use if then else. We will compare the value of this sensor, that is senval2. It's a numerical value, it is 1 or 0 because it's a digital sensor, and hence we are using equality comparator, equal to. If senval2 is equal to, we know that when it is black the value is 1, when it is white the value is 0. So if senval2 is 0, we want to wag the tail, and our robot wags the tail using, let's say, motor 4. So we'll say rotate motor 4. How much time? Till the time we have the white color over the IR sensor. Till that time it will continue to wag. Once it's over, we will stop. So else stop motor 4. We want to perform this action continuously. We want to check continuously, and if our condition becomes true, we want to do the action continuously, and hence we need is forever block. Now we are using motor 4, so we need to set up motor 4, and at the beginning we will set up motor 4, and that completes our program. Just revise it quickly. We are setting up motor 4 because we are going to use motor 4 in our program to wag the tail. Then we have created a variable called A1 because we cannot put value A1 inside this command read digital pin, and we have connected our sensor to pin A1. So for that we created a variable and we put the value A1 into it, and that is what we have inserted here. Now this is our read command. We know for sensor programming we follow read, store, compare, act. So this is read, this is store in the variable senval2, then we compare the senval2 value to 0 and we act. If it is 0, that means white paper shown, rotate the motor. If not, stop the motor. We have put everything inside forever because we want to continuously check the value of the sensor and take action accordingly. So that is our RoboCat 2 program.